What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Don back with another video, and today we got a lot to talk about. It's been a little while since I posted a video for the channel. I've been really busy with work, doing a lot of other things. But I decided today to show you guys the birds. The race season is over for the young birds. It was all right. They didn't do the best, but I was satisfied. Ended up missing out on the last 2-3 races due to my birds being sick. Ended up catching some type of disease or something like that, a bacteria infection, and all the birds ended up getting hit, including the breeders, the young birds, everything. So right now we're in the process of basically treating the birds, trying to get them back in good health. Let me show you. As you can see, guys, all the birds are up top. But if you look to the ground, you can see all the wetness, the droppings are terrible. It's been a nightmare over here for like a week now. It started with the young birds. The cocks aren't doing too bad, but as you can see, they got it. They got some type of infection. Ended up vaccinating the birds at a bad time, but I had to do it. Here are the young birds. They're not all too bad. They still move around. They're not just sitting puffed up. The young birds are getting a little bit better. Somewhat. Droppings are starting to get a little bit more firm. This is what's left of the young bird team. That's gonna be flown for old birds next year. A couple more up here. I think it's about 18, 17 birds. I ended up losing 3 young birds to the disease. Came in the loft and the birds were just dead. And I ended up losing 1 breeder. One of my cock birds, my Alex Beach cock bird. It's been real tough, but we'll get through it. Just learning how to medicate the birds, getting the birds back on point, and giving them everything they need to keep them up. They don't look all too bad, but we'll get them there. I got them on some antibiotics. It's been like 3 days. I'm aiming to treat them for like 5 to 7 days. Then I'll follow that with some probiotics. Try to get their digestive system correct. But that's it, guys. These are cock birds in here. I did end up coming down a few birds. I currently have, I think, 15 pairs, 15 cocks, and 15 hens. Ended up coming down at least 10 hens. I had like 26. Way too overcrowded. So I got rid of a few hens, a couple of cocks. Trying to make it easier and better for the birds. I have 12 nest boxes in here. Nothing in here yet. I took them out. I'm probably gonna end up building something here on that back wall next week. Put about like 8 boxes in there and just do 8 and 8 on both sides. Do 2 rounds, 3 rounds maybe for the upcoming season. And I do plan on building another small section for the old birds, or somewhere I could put the hens or the cocks. So I could race out of these two sections here. Up here, this section and that section. I could do young birds in there, old birds here if I have a team. That's the plan. The hens will stay here, or the cocks, it doesn't matter. And then the other one will be at the new section. I'll put them in there. But that's what we got going on, guys. It's been really busy trying to keep the birds healthy, work, family, everything. So I gotta balance it out. Here it is. That's it, guys. Hope y'all have a great weekend and stay blessed.